Good morning and welcome to all my dear students to your online class. Children, today we are going to do English Grammar, chapter number 4, Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Okay? But before that, let us see some pictures. Okay? Now look here, children. You can see pictures of some items, children. Can you count them? Yes, of course. We can count some of them like apple, cake, sandwich, clock, egg, grapes, carrot, watermelon. Pictures that you can see on your left hand side, children. Brinjal, burger, all these things we can count. And the pictures that you can see on your right side, children. Water, milk, flour, beans, sugar, salt, cheese, meat, tea, honey. Can you count them? No, children, we cannot count them, right? So children, nouns which can be counted, they are called as countable nouns, and the nouns which cannot be counted are called as uncountable nouns. Now let us see the work in your grammar book. Okay, so take out your books. So children, we are going to start chapter number 4, nouns, countable and uncountable. We have already completed chapter 1, subject and predicate. And even if you have completed chapter 4, just do revision, children, once again. Okay. So in chapter number 4, we have a question where you have to put a tick mark next to the items that you can count, and you have to put a cross next to the ones that you cannot count. And I have already done this. Oil, children, we cannot count. Cloud, no. Water, can you count? No. Monkey, yes, we can count. Monkey. Shoe, yes. Tiger, of course, we can count. Air, no. Country, yes. Sand, no. So let's understand, children. Nouns which can be counted, they are called countable nouns. And the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms, and we use words like few, several, many to show the quantity of countable nouns. Like for example, children, look here. A few buses have left the terminal. You can see buses is plural word. Plural of buses, buses. And we have used few with them. Few buses. Next is, there are many oranges in the basket. So, oranges, they are countable. So, we use many. Several boats are lined along the river. So, here, boats is again plural. You can see S is there. And we have used several to show the quantity of countable nouns. Okay, children. In the same manner, nouns which cannot be counted, what are the things we cannot count? Look here, children. Rice, sand, tea, water, grass, sugar, oil, soup, salt. These things, children, we cannot count them, right? You can of course count the cups of tea, glasses of water, okay, bottle of oil. And uncountable nouns, children, they generally have singular forms only. Okay, we never say rices or sands or teas. No, we don't put S here in rice. Okay, so they are generally used in singular forms. Okay, see some more examples. There is a little milk left in the pan. We have used little with this word milk. So children, uncountable nouns generally have singular forms only. Okay, and we do not use a or an before uncountable nouns, even if they appear singular. And remember, we use words like much and a little to show the quantity of uncountable nouns. Okay, see the examples given here. There is a little milk left in the pan. We don't say few milk, okay? Few we use with countable, children. So we use here a little to show the quantity of uncountable nouns. Here uncountable noun is milk. Next is, the children are making too much noise. So we have used the word too much here, you can see. And noise is the noun here, okay, abstract noun. I have spilled a drop of oil on my shirt. So we have used a drop of with the uncountable noun oil. My mother bought 5 kilos of rice for the month. We cannot count rice, children, but of course we can count the bags of rice. So here we have used this word 5 kilos of rice to show the quantity of uncountable noun, that is rice. Okay. So remember, children, nouns which we can count, they are called as countable nouns, and the nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay. Now we have one question here. We have to complete the sentences with the correct plural form of the countable nouns given in brackets. Now all the words that are written in red color in the brackets, children, they are countable nouns, right? We can count pencil, bus, doctor, spoon and cup. We can count them. So we have to write the plural of these words written in brackets. Okay, what is the plural of pencil? We write as pencils. Okay, put S, it becomes plural. Several dash drove past the park. What is the plural of bus? Buses. Put ES. There were many dash doctor at the clinic. Doctors. Okay, so write down doctors. In the same way, could you pass me some spoons, please? So put S in spoon. And number 5, I made 5 cups of tea. CUPS, cups. Okay, this way, children, you will do the work in the book. And then we have another question here where you have to underline the uncountable nouns given here in the following sentences. I want a scoop of ice cream. So what is uncountable, children? Ice cream, right? Will you please fill some air in the tires? Air is uncountable. I added a bit of oil to the dish. Oil. We cannot count oil or any liquid items, children, okay? Would you like to have some milk? Milk is uncountable. There is a lot of sand on the beach. Sand is uncountable. We cannot count sand. Give me a glass of water, please. Water is uncountable. Underline. There is too much sugar in the pancake. So sugar is uncountable. So this way, children, you have to do question number A and question number B in your grammar book. Okay. And then try, children, doing question number C as your homework. Okay. So we are going to meet in the next class. Till then, children, have a good day. Thank you.